the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, we ain't trying to grow things down for you. For the record, lab only going all the way. For the
Hey, it's your girl Zoe, aka Melanated Beauty, back at you guys again for another awesome YouTube video. And today it will be an unboxing on this nail kit that I just got, and I'm super excited to try it out. Alright, and of course, you know I got it from Amazon, because that's where I get a lot of my stuff from. I'm gonna start doing a little bit of online Walmart shopping, but for now, I'm sticking to Amazon, okay? And heads up, if you hear noise in the background, it's because my family is up. So don't mind any background noise, kids talking, husband walking around, you know, all of that good stuff. Anywho, let's get into this unboxing video. So, like I said, it is a gel kit. First and foremost, I love this box. It is super cute, isn't it? I was just expecting like a little plain box or whatever, but I find it's relatively cute. So this kit is from Amazon for $41.99 from a company called Joyti. And it literally has everything you need in one little kit. So let's see, let's open this up. All right. And this is how it is packaged for you guys. All right. Comes with instructions and a little manual. And as you saw, it's a UV light in here. All right, so here we have our little kit, our essentials that we'll need. We have 2 nail files. We have, this is just this looks like a buffer board. And then here is your 180 to 100 nail grit emery board. And then you have your brusher. You have another one. You have your little cute duster that comes with what it seems like in every little kit these days with extra hair. Okay. Your cuticle oil here. Let's see. It's a strawberry flavored, well, scent. Let's see. All right, it has a little scent to it there. Okay. And you have 2 of these. And this is for your cuticles. You push back your cuticles and use this to get the little pieces off. And this kit comes with a full size set of nail clippers. My gel polish kit, my other polygel kit did not. All right, so I'm liking this because you also have this one to push back your cuticles as well. So this little kit here I can use with some of my other kits here. All right, so we have our gel polish that also comes in a cute little box as well to match the original box. Okay. Let's see. And it comes with lithium on top. 2, 4, 6, 8 gel polishes. And it actually has the color coats on top. So you know what colors it is. You have your base coat and your top coat here. All right, those are some cute colors. And this kit, I don't think it lets you pick out the colors that you wanted. So you just get what you get. Like, it has a variety of colors options, but you can't like pick exactly which colors you get. All right. And it comes with instructions, a user manual for your UV LED lamp. And this one, I think I can use this on my polygel. So next week video will be on doing my polygel nails, because this is an 82 watt lamp. The other lamp that came with my polygel, no, this is just good enough for a gel polish. It does not dry the polygel that comes with the kit. It sucks. So I needed a new lamp. So I went ahead and got this kit because it comes with the polish and the lamp. Wow. It's so cute. Pink and white. And up here, it's supposed to like be automatic and show your settings and all of that. It has 30, 60, and 120 seconds on here for drying. And here is the plug to it, and I actually like that it comes with its own plug. This one did not come with a cube for it. It just came with the plug. So here we go. We're gonna plug this in. But like I said, it's supposed to be an auto sensor. So this one actually has the timing on it to show you your countdown. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug it up for you guys. It's a relatively long cord too, so that's nice. Plug it in. Bloop. 1 moment. Alright, excuse that box. So here we go. Here, your 30 seconds, you just click that and starts your countdown with this 120. And you can start each one. I like that. It's pretty cool. And it changes the light on the inside as well, depending on, that is really bright. Like, so yeah. And I think it's censored. It's not. It's supposed to be auto censored, but it's actually not doing it. Okay, so it actually does do it. So when it's on 0, you can put your hand on there and it automatically starts a 30-second timer. It doesn't do that on your 60 or 120 settings, but it does do it on the 30 seconds. And then when you take your hand out, it just starts back at 0. But yeah, it does that. So like I said, it starts the timer and everything. That's pretty cool. So only on 30 seconds does it have the auto when it's like off like that. Pretty cool. So the colors here, we have like a peach color here. That's cute. So next week's video will be a polygel kit. I'm going to test out this lamp with the polygel and see if it actually works, because it says it should. And like I said, I needed a new lamp. So these colors are very cute. You have, it's like a neutral set is what I got here. And it has the white polish. So, well, that's clear. Actually, that's not white. That's not white at all, because it has a white thing on top, but it's not white. It's more of a clear, opaque color. It's not your 100% white. And then you have this one here. My nails are short and low because I'm going to go ahead and record this video for you guys for next week. Oh, that's pretty. And then the last two, like I said, we have our base and our top coat. And this is supposed to be no wipe, so you don't have to go back and wipe it off. So you can use your top coat for holding on jewels and crystals and stuff like that. But I'm also going to put it to work using the regular polish as well, because I have a little model, so I'll be doing her nails. All right, so that is the Joyti Gel Polish UV LED kit from Amazon. And like I said, we're really gonna put it to work on next week's video when I do my polygel nails. I'm super excited because my fingers been naked for a while, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on Instagram at Melanated Beauty, spelled the same way as my YouTube channel name. Also, like I said, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, because I will be doing little giveaways here and there. Cash App giveaways too, okay? So that's money giveaways, okay? And once I reach 500 subscribers, I think I'm going to do a bigger giveaway on some items that I have, okay? So, peace, love, and hair grease.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, we ain't trying to grow nothing strong for you.